Hey there, CJ Math students, and happy Friday. Welcome to Note 6.4. It's two-step inequalities, day 2. And so what I'll be doing is the my turn problems. You do them exactly, and then you do the your turn problems. Please don't forget to graph. So we always ask ourselves these two questions. Do I need a rewrite flip? In this case, the answer is no. And is my variable attached to a negative constant? And my answer is no. I have 10n minus 5 greater than negative 115, excuse me. I go ahead and add 5 to both sides. This cancels out, bring down 10n, still greater than negative 110, and then divide by 10. I'll get n is greater than negative 11. So that's an open circle at 11, pointed to the right, or all numbers greater than negative 11. So I'd pause and try and do the your turn problem now. The next one, do I have a rewrite flip? And my answer is no. And is my variable attached to a negative constant? My answer is no. So again, I just go ahead and solve this. N over 2 minus 3, keep the sign the way it is, less than 0. So I add 3 to both sides. I get n over 2 is less than 3. And I finish by multiplying by 2. When I do that, I get n is less than 6. So it's an open circle at 6, pointing to the left, or all numbers less than 6. All right? So I'd pause and do the your turn problem right now. Practice number 2. Do I need a rewrite flip on this? The answer is yes on this one. And are my variables on the wrong side? So yes, they're on the right-hand side, so I need to rewrite and flip it. Is my variable attached to a negative constant? My answer is no. Right, so I just need one flip of the inequality sign. So I'll take this, write it exactly as it is, 3n minus 10. Now flip the inequality sign, greater than or equal to negative 52. So I've double checked, make sure this is exactly the way the top is. I'm good. Now I go ahead and solve it. So I add 10 to both sides. I get 3n is greater than or equal to negative 42. And I divide by 3 on both sides. I get n is greater than or equal to negative, let's see, 3 goes into 42 one time, 14 times, negative 14, right? So a closed circle at negative 14 because it includes the solution, and then pointed to the right, everything greater than negative 14. I'd pause and try and do the your turn problem. Do I need to rewrite flip on this one? Again, the answer is yes. Is my variable attached to a negative? The answer is no. So one rewrite. So again, write this exactly as it is. B over 5 minus 2 greater than, so flip the sign, was less than, now it's greater than, negative 5. Yep. Sorry, that's a 5. Add 2 to both sides. We'll cancel out, drop down b over 5 is greater than negative 3, and then finish by multiplying by 5 on both sides. So b is greater than negative 15. So I have an open circle at negative 15, which is right in between 16 and 14, and it's pointing to the right, or all numbers greater than negative 15. I'd pause and try and do that one. All right, this is the end of part 1.